students, welcome to Shaurak's classes. In this video, I am going to explain some concepts on permutation. Suppose there are a number of things is n, and each and among n things, p things are of alike kind of one type. Second part of q things are of another kind, and r things are of another kind. In this case, the number of ways is equal to n factorial by p factorial, q factorial, r factorial. Now, if a number of n things are there, and it can occur any number of times, and the r number of things are taken. In this case, we will go for fixed to the power variable. Here, n things are fixed, and r may vary. So it will be n to the power r. Now let's look at circular permutation. In case of circular permutation, generally the formula will be number of arrangements is equal to half into n minus 1 factorial. But if the clockwise direction and anti-clockwise directions are taken separately, then if clockwise direction and anti-clockwise direction, directions are taken separately, then number of arrangements will be equal to number of arrangements will be equal to n pr by r, which is equal to 1 by r into n factorial by n minus r factorial. Okay, that's the end of this video. Thank you.